Okay, this is my first banana bread I made on my own, and we're gonna open it now. So, it's hot. Do I just put it down here? And this time was a little harder than the times I did with my mom because we don't have an actual oven. So we used that old Moroccan one, the new Moroccan one that we have now. Okay.
We also made a chocolate cake. Max also made steam buns for everyone to share. And I made tagine and couscous with my mom.
Okay, right now I'm making omelet. And I already did, so in my omelet I'm gonna have eggs, of course, cheese, and broccoli.
While we did laundry, our dogs sat around and looked at the beautiful view, and everyone enjoyed it too. This is how you make amlou. First, you roast the nuts. Then you put them inside a blender. And you grind them and keep grinding and grinding and grinding them until they turn into a paste.
What have you got? Clams. Oh, wow. We're getting clams for our dinner tonight. Two clams where? That one right there. Two.
right now we're trying to stay away from other people and buy some groceries. And then we're gonna bike back to our van carrying all these groceries. And it's gonna be all on my bike.
Bye. We'll take you on adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Okay. Right now I'm making omelet. And I already did. So in my omelet, I'm gonna have eggs, of course, cheese, and broccoli. So right now, I'm cutting my second half of broccoli out of 4. Now I'm on my last broccoli. And before you crack the eggs, make sure you always wash your hands with soap first. And between your fingers and your nails and around your wrists. So now I finished my first egg washing it. Now I'm going to wash my second one. When you're cracking the eggs, make sure you crack them into a bowl. And then after you put the 2 eggs, to add some taste, you can add some salt and pepper or keg seasoning. Now you need a fork and mix the eggs. And now I pour the eggs in. Put the heat on medium, and I think you have to put the broccoli first. Also, before you put anything on the pan, always put butter or vegetable oil. So first, before you pour anything, you have to get a spatula. I'm just gonna use this to put the broccoli on because I don't have a spoon. Also, sometimes when you use this, be careful when you hold the handle. Sometimes it might be hot. So we're putting a pot holder. Put your hand underneath like this. I'll put it in, okay? Okay? And then now after you put anything, you put the eggs. And now you mix it. It doesn't always have to be round, just make sure when you're done it's tasty. And then if you want, after, you can put some cheese. So I got my cheese, and now you just wait until probably just wait about 30 seconds, and then you flip it. While it's flipped, you might need a plate. So to get ready when you're done with it. And when you think it's ready, you pick it up. No, that's not the best pick up. And put it on your plate.
Say bye, Max.
Okay, bye.